investigation, you have to justify everything because this case relates to very heinous offense. And when punishment is minimum 10 years, responsible for this lapse.
Head Constable Moral of the Thana, he has accepted his lapse also, and I have punished him for the same also.
Within 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours. You have recorded it at 12:25 a.m., almost after more than 5 hours. After such a delay, suppose if contraband was seized at around 7 p.m.
7.
Then why FIR has been lodged next day? Surprising how the police is working. No court is going to accept this of your argument. It's possible. Before figure, how it can be deposited?
This show cause notice was issued to the.
In this case, FIR is registered on 29/10/2022, whereas contraband is deposited in Malkhana on 28.
Yes, my lord, it was 3 hours before.
Yes, how it is possible? Before figure, how it can be deposited?
This show cause notice was issued to the delinquent, and he responded that because he knew the next FIR was on this will be on this number, so he entered by mistake. So action has been taken against him also, my lord, and one increment has been.
But it is very surprising how the police is working. No court is going to accept this of your argument. Because you have deposited the contraband in Malkhana on 28th time before the recovery of the sum. When it was recovered, Mr. Gupta?
Yes. मतलब 18:57, 6:57.
Yes.
60.
On 28th.
28th.
Yes. So why FIR is being registered after such a delay? Suppose if contraband was seized at around 7 p.m.
7.
Then why FIR has been lodged next day? Almost after 5 to 6 hours.
6 hours.
Yes.
Below, they have also entered entry in the Roznamcha, and it says that the connectivity was not there, so there is a delay.
Connectivity, I think you must be having some vehicle. By which vehicle you had proceeded on the spot. So this argument is also not tenable.
वो कनेक्टिविटी मतलब 12 बजे के आसपास की है, वो भी
कनेक्टिविटी किस चीज की कनेक्टिविटी?
CCTNS की. CCTNS. The software connectivity.
No, but CCTN connectivity is a totally different thing. The matter relates with the registration of the FIR. CCTN is a portal, all India portal, having criminal networking. CCTN, it has nothing to do with the CCTN. If you had filled the contraband at 6:57 p.m., you have to register a FIR within 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours. You have recorded it at 12:25 a.m., almost after more than 5 hours, 5 or 6 hours.
56.
How can you justify all these things before the court of law? There may be some excuses, but they are the real excuses. Nobody is going to believe such excuses. Because whenever you are conducting any investigation, you have to justify everything. Because this case relates to very heinous offense. And when punishment is minimum 10 years, court scrutinize the matter in a very meticulous and minute manner. So who is responsible for this lapse?
Head Constable Moral of the Thana, he has accepted his lapse also, and I have punished him for the same also, Lord.
But who had made the seizure?
महेंद्र बहादुर.
ASI Mahendra Kumar Bagri had made the seizure.
So, and he also recorded the fire.
Yes, my lord.
Yes.
So I think he must have handed over the contraband to the Malkhana in charge.
Yes, yes, my lord.
Around it.
ये सर 28/10/2022 को 20:25 पे 8:15 बजे
The seizure had been made at 6:57 p.m.
जी. और सर उसी में उनका जो मालखाना रजिस्टर है उसमें देखिए क्राइम नंबर भी मेंशन है सर. एफआईआर दर्ज नहीं हुई. और इनका जो रेगनामचा थाना है उसमें आगमन 12 बजे के बाद है.
So, Mr. SP, it is very ridiculous. When you are returning to police station after 12 midnight, how it is possible to hand over the contraband to the Malkhana in charge at 8:25 p.m.?
लिखा हुआ पहले दिया है. Ma'am, Your Honor, the logic, the explanation given by the delinquents is this, that the connectivity on CCTVs on which the FIR is done and the all the Zapti and all is entered was not there. The connectivity in the software was not there, so they were not able to do it on time.
That's all right. As per your FIR, you come back to police station after conducting all the seizure and other activities. 12. When you had not returned to the police station till 12 midnight, how it was possible for you to hand over the possession of the contraband to the Malkhana in charge? जब आप लौटे ही 12 बजे हैं तो आप उससे पहले आप 4 घंटे पहले कैसे कॉन्ट्राबैंड दे सकते हैं मालखाना इंचार्ज को? दैट इज योर ऑन एफआईआर.
That is not information, my lord. Because they returned earlier that they were not able to enter it on those names because of connectivity issue.
So you can show the explanation in your Rojanamcha in FIR also. Why did you write that you returned at 12 or after 12?
Yes, my lord, that was the last on my part.
It's mean you have recorded a false information in your FIR, which belies the truthfulness of your own story. How you can justify all these things? No prudent man can accept such arguments or such lame excuses. So you take action not only against the in charge of Malkhana but also against the ASI who has recorded the FIR and who has made the seizure.
Yes, my lord.
There is some connectivity problem. Suppose a flight is not available. You are not having some vehicle. Then record all these things in a record. Because judges and advocates, they understand everything. At remote places, many times, time takes. And it is not possible for the reading party to return back in time. But you show everything well in time when you did it. Because any attempt to conceal your act, that will lead into failure of this entire case. So now this is the first time we have to take action against these guilty police persons and also conduct some training program for these people, how to conduct investigation, how to record everything in their record. But this is nothing but a mockery of the justice and mockery of the entire proceedings. लिखिए. And also, why you did not take action against your SDOP? Supervise all these proceedings.
I have issued a show cause notice to the SDOP.
Yes, because he's superintendent authority.
He is also present, my lord. I have called my place.
This, yes. यस यस, कम फॉरवर्ड। आप में क्या देखते हैं, क्या करते हैं आप इन लोगों का काम देखते हैं ना, आपकी ड्यूटी है जो भी इन्वेस्टिगेशन हो रहा है वो राइट डायरेक्शन में हो रहा है कि नहीं है, जो पेपर्स बनाए जा रहे हैं पुलिस की ओर से वो सही है कि नहीं। आपने देखा था?
देखा था सर, मिस्टेकली नहीं देख पाया था ट्रेन में।
ये फिर क्या देखा आपने तो कुछ भी नहीं देखा।
सॉरी सर।
हम्म? मतलब you people requires a harsh punishment whether we deserve to be remain in the force if you're not sincere towards your duties. Why it be not directed that a note be put in your service record for future that you are not competent to conduct this type of cases, or you are not a person able to supervise the investigation carried out by your subordinates, because these are not simple cases. These cases leads to the recovery of the contraband, NDPS cases. So take action against this one also.
Yes, sir.
लिखिए। ठीक है मिस्टर, 3 किलो लिखिए जी।
3 किलो गांजा है।
ठीक है, लिखिए। श्री ब्रजेश मिश्रा, लर्नड काउंसिल फॉर द एप्लीकेंट, श्री प्रदीप गुप्ता, लर्नड गवर्नमेंट एडवोकेट फॉर रेस्पोंडेंट स्टेट, सुप्रिंटेंडेंट पुलिस कुमार प्रदीप, इट्स प्रेजेंट अलॉन्ग विद एसटीओपी, क्या नाम है?
रवि प्रकाश कोल। रवि प्रकाश कोल।
Ravi Prakash Koul.
रवि प्रकाश कौर, superintending officer of the case, and एसआई भी है, क्या नाम है?
महेंद्र कुमार बागी सिंह।
एंड एसआई महेश कुमार बागी,
महेंद्र सिंह
महेंद्र कुमार बागी, the investigation officer of the case. SP has informed that he has initiated action against Malkhana in charge and all the delinquents in the department. As SP has initiated action against all the delinquents, no further action is required. But SP is directed to supervise the investigation of the cases in a very sincere and arduous manner. Argument heard. Lift this case for all. ठीक,